Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a video of yourselves using Canvas Studio. It's a very simple process to do, and you'll have a lot of opportunities to practice this before you actually submit your final video. So let's get started. From your home screen here, you click Assignments and then you choose the assignment where you have to submit your video. In this case, I have Quick Video Introduction to Professor. When you come in here, you're going to see this screen. What I just deleted the details. This is because I've already done this before, so you won't have this unless you've created other videos. Click Studio, and then you'll see this screen. Now, for some of you, you may get a message to download some software, which is okay. This is a Canvas Studio software. It's okay to download. For some of you, you may need to clear your cache or provide some type of update to your software. If you're having any trouble, just contact the help desk and they will help you. They're very helpful. I've never had a student unable to use this. Now, the only thing I will tell you is the help desk is not available 24/7. So if you're coming up against the deadline for the assignment and you contact them at 11 o'clock at night or on a Sunday, on a weekend, you may not get the help right away in time to get the submission posted in time. So do this early, do this frequently, practice it so you're not caught at the last minute trying to get some help and no one's available, okay? On the right side, you hit Create. You have a drop-down menu. You can hit Studio Capture, which is just what the video captures, and Screencast-O-Matic, which will capture your video and whatever else is on the screen. For this purpose, we're using Studio Capture. And there it is. That's what your video will look like. Okay, so you want to check your video camera, make sure you've got the right video camera. I have two different cameras, so I have to choose one or the other. And then your microphone. So I have several microphones. I have this one I'm using here. I also have one on my webcam, and there's one on my PC, so you have to choose the right one. And you'll always be able to play this back, so you'll know if you chose the right one and if it's working, okay? Then all you do is you just start recording. You get a countdown, and once you get down to the countdown, everything you're saying right now will be recorded. So when you're done, you click Finish. You can title your video Introduction to Professor, and you can play it back. So let's play it back. If you don't like the way that looks or that sounds, or you think your background needs to change, you click Start Over and you start recording again. Double check your webcam, double check your microphone. I have to keep clicking the microphone I'm using, so you may have to do that frequently every time you change your screen, and you start recording again. Wait for the countdown. And now everything you're saying will be live. Once you're done, you click Finish, add the title, and you click Save Media. And your video will show up here. It takes a minute or two to process depending on how long it is. You have another opportunity to replay the video. And now everything you're saying will be live. Once you're done, okay, if you're happy with that, one thing I do is, this is by default on Basic. It's Display Media tabs. You don't need that, so you can just delete it. Now you embed the media down here on the bottom. This is like the official video being embedded. You can listen to it one more time. And now everything you're saying will be live. Once you're done, and then you just click hit a Submit Assignment. You'll see all this confetti, and you're in. Now, you can play it one more time again. And now everything you're saying will be live. If you don't like it or figure, gee, I forgot to say something or mention something, you click New Attempt. Okay, and you start again. Create, Studio Capture, and you can re-record another video. So that's how it works. And you have an unlimited amount of attempts to post the video. So if you feel you're stumbling, you're listening to yourself and you don't like the way it sounds, or the video maybe gets staticky, or there was some kind of an interruption in the video, or your voice and your video don't match, you can always submit another attempt, right? Or if you don't want the other attempt after you started, just cancel the second attempt and then your first attempt will show up here. So that's how you create a video. I'll have another video on how to create a PowerPoint presentation using your video and PowerPoint slides at a later time. So fool around with this stuff, practice, play with it, contact Help Desk if you have any questions, and certainly keep in touch with your professor as well.